dáadáa lẹ́dẹ́ bá lè rí jù. Ètí gángan o. Yàrá kò máa ẹ̀rà mà. Yẹ̀sà dáadáa lẹ́dẹ́ mà. Ọ̀yà ẹlí ti wọ̀ wọlé. Ẹ máa gbé báàkì yín lọ. Mo fẹ́ gbójú yín. Thank God. Ẹ máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ rí. No, sit. Upstairs. Hey, under now, oblo and dialogue go. Àwọn àlejò wa nìyẹn. Lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n dé, àfọ̀n ní àmàlà ni wọ́n jẹ yẹn. Ẹbí ẹ ṣe ń jó ọwọ́. Ǹjẹ́ ọ̀lẹ́ tí lè jẹ l'Amẹ́ríkà gbẹ̀yìn? Ẹ jẹ́ sójú yín díẹ̀. Àlejò mi nìyẹn. Ọmọ ìjọ mi wọ́n lọ bí about 12 years ago ni wọ́n kò ní Nàìjíríà. Ọ̀dọ̀ mi náà ni wọ́n dé sí.
Jíǹkì kan sí kí wọ́n gba 5 alive wa.
Wọ́n ti lọ gbà, wọ́n lọ gbà. Wọ́n fẹ́ akátá yóò gbọ́ yóò bá rárá. Akátá yarí o. Ok, fẹ́ kó sójú yára. Ọ̀gá ya, déètò ọ̀yọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ ẹgbẹ́. Àwọn nìyẹn. Kí lẹ́yìn? Bí ẹ ṣe ń jà mọ̀lá nìyẹn. Tó bá tutù ẹ̀ ní láìkẹ́. Bí a bá ti rí èèyàn àti ẹ̀kọ́ àtijọ́, inú everybody ń dùn. Ṣúyà, everything gan. Báwo ni?
Ọwọ́ àpá.
Òwe ìtẹ̀ wà lájọ ẹ̀yìn náà Adéláyà àtàlábíà ọ̀hún. Ẹ̀rọ èrò kò mú wa ọ̀hún. Sẹ́rí. Àdúrà wa gbà lórí ẹ̀ sẹ́rí. Àdúrà wa gbà lórí ẹ̀. Everybody jó wọ́n yọ̀.
Orúkọ mi ni Evangelist Ọláyẹ̀kìnní aya Túmọ̀ Àlá. Inú mi dùn gan-an láti kí last week láti ní àlejò pàtàkì kan. Torí pé ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yà wá lẹ́nu torí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ mi ìgbà mi tí wọ́n bá ti lọ tábà ìjọba ti bọ́ọ̀lù sọ̀mù òní láti ilé mọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó yà wá lẹ́nu nígbà tí wọ́n sọ fáwọn ń bọ̀ àwọn òtí ẹ̀kọ́ kan sí àgbà tá a rí wọn lónìí títí wọ́n dé. Kò sí àwọn nǹkan tí wọn ò tí ì jẹ tán. Tẹ́gbẹ́ àwọn náà àbíṣètì wa, àwọn náà àbíṣètì wa. Dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run wípé gbogbo àwọn iṣẹ́ tí a ti ṣe Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ojú ti wà nípasẹ̀ rẹ̀ praise the Lord. Àwọn náà wà lórí ìjókòó wọ́n ti ẹ̀fún akátá lẹni tí wọ́n tó fẹ́ ní ìyàwó praise the Lord. Ọjọ́ kan tó jẹ́ pé ọjọ́ kí inú tiwa náà tó kí ayọ̀ tiwa náà kó wípé a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run praise the Lord. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ láti ẹnu wọn tó tó wípé àbẹ̀rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ jẹ́ ká gbogbo yẹ gbogbo àwọn kan tí a ti kó wa lẹ́nu jọ nìyẹn o.
Ẹ má gbé èrò pọ̀ nínú ilé greenhouse. Gba àwọn àgbàgbàjọ rèé o. Orúkọ yín sàyẹ káwọn èèyàn.
A kàn kó súyà jẹ lọ ní.
Ṣé ẹ mọ ẹni tó délé ni?
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé nítorí pé wọ́n rántí ilé. Wọ́n jẹ́ ìkan nínú ọmọ ìjọba àgbàtà wà ní Ọkọ́ta ní ọdún 12 sẹ́yìn. A dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé Ọlọ́run mú wa padà sí ilé. Nígbà tó bá ń padà lọ lórúkọ Jésù àná Ọlọ́run àbàpẹ́.
Àmín Jésù.
Gbogbo orin lóyìnbó àtẹ̀wọ̀n lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́. Nígbà tó bá tó padà wá gbogbo Ọlọ́run àdúpẹ́.
Àmín Jésù.
Báyìí ni
Àmín
Jésù.
Ẹ lè sọ̀rọ̀ sókè ní sà.
Orúkọ mi bá sọ sójú ọlọ́gbà. Inú mi láti brọ́dà wa lọ́dún láti Amẹ́ríkà. Gbọ́dọ̀ tó gba pẹ̀lú wa ní 12 years ago ní ogún ọlọ. Àwọn gbàdúrà máa gba fíà náà pẹ̀lú ìyanu náà. Wọ́n tó lọ́wọ́ náà ìyanu ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ayé wọn. Àrí àbísẹ̀tì ọlọ́run nínú ayé wọn. Àánú ni àbísẹ̀tì ọlọ́run nínú ayé tiwa náà. Olóògùn bá ṣe lọ bọ́ ní ń bọ̀ ọlọ́run máa padà bí i.
Àmín Jésù.
Ìmọ̀lẹ́ wa ti wá rí ogun nǹkan tẹ̀ ń jẹ yìí sá.
Àwọn náà ti wá lálejò. Àwọn náà ti wá lálejò.
Dádì, kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ?
Orúkọ mi fẹ́ lọ láti inú mi dùn gan láti rí àwọn bọ́dà wa. Wọ́n ti travel out to the
Ẹni oníkan láti ń gbọ́ kan èrò pọ̀ nínú ilé gan.
Ògo ni fọ́lọ́run ní kẹrùn èmi kọ́ dédé ṣàkóde náà ni tó bí wọ́n ṣe pè mí ilẹ̀ tí èlé mi rí tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé aládejò so èmi ní Pastor Sunday David so ògo ni fọ́lọ́run.
Ẹni oníkan láti ń gbọ́ kan ẹ ló sà orúkọ yín ẹ bá àdírẹ́sì àwọn èèyàn.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
My name is Oluwadare Idiyemi. I thank God. I thank God for His mercies in my life. So 12 years ago, basically maybe 14 years ago, that's when I started DDDC. And what made me to start DDDC was as a result of like a lot of issues that were going on in my life as I then. I was in school then, in university, but I had a lot of problems. I wasn't doing well in the school. My results were nothing to write home about. So I wasn't doing well in school, and I also had serious financial problems. So there was someone there, one of our family friends, who used to tell us about DDDC then. But then I didn't believe in anything like prophecy or anything. Like I didn't have like I'm very opinionated, so I didn't have any belief in things like that. But they kept on telling us that whenever they come to visit us, they will mention the church at the back of the house as I then. They always mention it by the way, but I was not even interested, like it was like a local church, like local church. Like you don't want your friends to even see you that you are going to that kind of church as I then, so my mind was totally blanked out as I then, and I'm not even going to. Yeah, but the problems kept on increasing. I kept on failing in school, failing one course after the other, So on a particular day, I was just in the house, in the living room. Something just came to my mind that why, instead of just being stubborn, why not even, like, I don't lose anything, but even just, like, I stopped going to church as I then, even I wasn't going to any church. I wasn't an atheist though, but I was becoming like agnostic, I knew there was a God, but I believed as I then that God just cared about just few people in the world, that He didn't care about some other people, and I was like, okay, He doesn't even care about me. So I stopped, that period I stopped going to church as I then, So on this particular day, I was just in the house, in my living room, and I was just going like thoughts after thoughts, So I was like, okay, I don't even lose anything by even like going to this church they've been talking about, DDDC. I don't even lose anything. Like I was at the lowest point, So how low can someone even get again? So I went to the church. I got a number. Then I saw other people also. It was like an open area, So I got my number. As I then you sing first. Once you sing, the man of God is right in front of you with his Bible. You sing. When you sing, then he tells you what's going on. So I was like, to me that was like a break. It was a break or a make moment for me. Like I wanted to actually see what was like, is this thing true? Like I wanted to see for myself. Yeah, so I got in front of the man. I already got my number there, so my number got called. I got in front of the man of God. I sang my song. Then basically broke down everything that was going on in my life. I was like, wow, like nobody actually knows this thing. Actually, my parents thought I was going to go to school. So it broke down everything, to the minutest detail. So that's when I started believing, That's when I actually started believing that God actually cares about me also, not just about some selected other people, and He cares about every other person. So if every other person that got numbers, then everything about everybody was revealed. So I was like, God actually cares about every person, So that's when my beliefs started problems. So to cut the long story short, so before then I had written some exams, everybody that was going to help me before then, nobody used to want to help me. Like I had some friends that they had gone ahead of me. Whenever I try to contact them, like to just, assist me in one or two things, like nobody cared, actually they were making fun of me, So but while going for the programs, every now and then, the man of God will say we should do one or two things. I started noticing improvements gradually. Like people that didn't care, one way or the other, they started taking interest. You know, they would be like, oh, I should just sign this document, I should do this, I should do that. I was like, is this magic or something? You know, like, is this voodoo? You know, like, I've not seen instant results like that before. It's not like totally instant, but like progress. You know, so then people started assisting me. So one way or the other from then. So on January 1st, I think it's January 1st, 2008. Basically December 31st, 2007 and January 1st, 2008, I was at the Watch Night service at Divine Dominion Deliverance Church. I was at the Watch Night service and I was going to go for my interview a day later. That was on the 2nd of January. And the man of God had already told me everything was going to be fine. I went for the interview. To my greatest surprise, I was denied. So my faith was being questioned as at then. You know, like, is this thing just a scam? You know, like, after the man of God has told you everything, you know, like, is it just a 419 pastor? You know, is it a scam? You know, because I was denied and I had put in everything I had into it. You know, I put in everything. I was doing internship then, all the money, I put in everything, so I was denied then. So, yeah, so I was denied then, and I had given up on my education because I was basically believing in what the man of God had been. Because he kept on being consistent. You know, he was consistent. I kept on believing. So I'd even, you know, I put in so much belief in everything, you know, so everything came crashing, you know, that day. You know, so I went home, I was like in a pensive mood for like a few days. You know, but I told the man of God, I got a number like on a particular Sunday after that. He said I should go again. I was like, does this man of God know what he's saying? You know, like, does he know what he's saying? To go again is not cheap. You have to pay for it. You know, that does he actually know what he's saying? I didn't have any money. Like, you know, does he know what he's saying? He said I should go again. Like, as if it's free. It's not free to apply. You know? Does he know what he's saying? One way or the other, the money to apply again. And as at then, it wasn't, if you got denied, like, you can't reapply like just immediately. One way or the other, there was an opening, I was able to apply immediately, and the money for the application came, and I went again. So before I went for the interview, I called Pastor John. I called him again. I called him Samara. I told him I'm about to go for this interview. So he said that was like one of the shortest prayers I've ever heard in my life. You know, he just said, Yorùkọ Jésù, ní agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù, Olúwa o, ọmọ yín. As he just said that, he just said, oh bossy. And he hangs up the phone. I'm like, okay. So I went in there.
Continue.
Yeah, I went in there. And the woman, the counselor that was going to interview me then, like, she was just totally impressed about everything I was telling her that day. Like, totally impressed, you know. Then if I can remember what she said that day was that she was, because one of my friends, we went together, the guy was denied by the same woman. So I think she told me, if I can remember clearly, she told me I was the first person she was giving that day. She told me I was the first person she was giving that day. So that was like a breakthrough moment. It was like, she's giving me this thing, I shouldn't waste it. I'm the first person she's giving, I shouldn't waste it. You know. As soon as she gave me, I ran out of the place. I didn't want to talk too much before devil. Before devil enter. As soon as God, I didn't even say, I didn't say, I just took my thing, said thank you, I left the place, you know, without any story, without any, you know, interference or anything. So that was the breakthrough moment. But a lot of people think when you get visa, a lot of people think that's the end of your problems. That's actually the beginning of your problems. You know, a lot of people think once you get, oh, okay, that's it. But when you get to where you are going to, it's a whole different scenario again because number one, you're dealing with a totally different culture. Number two, you're going in, like if you're going as I went then, you're going in not with so much money. You're going in with like limited resources. You know, you're going in with limited resources. You are just carrying faith. You know, you're going with limited resources. You are dealing with people that when you talk to them, the first thing they will say is, even when they hear what you say, just because they know you're French, you just came in and you know you're an African, you know. Once you just talk, so you're dealing with those kind of you're dealing with those kind of people, right? So it's a whole different challenge entirely. So when I got there, you know, that's still the reason why I still maintain relationships because, you know, a lot of times it's problems that draw someone closer to God. Yeah, so the international student advisor there, it was like, because he was going to help me finalize some admission processes. You know, but one way or the other, I just didn't like my face. So he said he doesn't want to see me because I've been going to his office every now and then. So he said he doesn't want to see me again. He said the next time he sees me, I wouldn't like what's going to happen. So I started avoiding his office as I did. But as God would have it, he was removed from that position. You know, he was removed, he was taken to another school. So the things he should have able to do, or that woman was there that was doing it. She was new to it. But she was calling in. So when I knew I'd be removed, I was going in there. So she was calling in and he was giving her instructions to help me without him knowing I was the one. He was giving her instructions to help me. That's how it was finalized. After I got it, he was brought back to that same position. Yeah, he was brought back. He was in that same position till I left the school. So just that period of that time frame was removed. Just that time frame. Then there was another person else in charge of scholarship then. He too, like he didn't want to really give out scholarship like that. He was trying to, because they have like resources, you know. They try to see who they want to give. Yeah, so he was always telling me there's no money, blah blah blah, you know, they can't give. You know, but one way or the other, during that period, if I set this number on my phone that I don't have saved, I don't pick it up. So I saw this number kept on calling, I don't used to pick it up. Until some Nigerians in the school, they called me like this man, the man in charge of scholarship is been calling me. You know, he's been calling me. So I was like, okay. I picked up this, that's what they said. He said he has given me a scholarship. You know, full scholarship. Yeah, full. Like he was actually calling me to give me, like he was the one chasing after me. So that's how I got it. Everything, you know, that's how I just continued and everything. So this is just like, you know, a tip of the iceberg, you know, on why I'm still.
Please, repeat it.
DDDC, Pastor Prophet John Jalili Yakini of Divine Dominion Deliverance Church. I knew, as I said earlier, that I was going to be agnostic, you know, like I wasn't going to any church again, like, you know, I was like, there's no point going to the church and everything they are saying there is English or motivational speech, you know, feel good, trying to make you feel good, but there's no power, you know. So as I made up my mind that I'm not going to, like, there's no point, there's no point of deceiving myself. I wanted to be realistic, you know, until I met Pastor John Jalili Yakini.
Again.
I actually met him, Pastor John Jalili Yakini of Divine Dominion Deliverance Church, GDDC. You know, that's when I actually started seeing God in action. You know, and I knew God actually cares about everybody. Everybody, as long as you bring your problems to Him. You know, as long as you bring your problems to Him, and whatever He says, nobody is perfect, but you try as much as possible to just follow instructions. You know, so that's just the summary of it. But that's why I'm still coming here to actually give thanks. You know, even after so many years I've passed by. You know. That's why I still care, you know, to Pastor John Jelilu Yakini. You know, that's why I still care even after so many years. So that's my story. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, èmi ò ní lè sòyìnbó bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sòyìnbó yẹn. Èmi á mú tèmi. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ rántí ìjọ́ tẹ kó máa mọ chọ́ọ̀tì yìí? Ó di tún mi. Kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀. Èmi ò ní lè sọ òyìnbó bí àwọn ṣe sọ òyìnbó. Màmá rántí ìgbà tí wọ́n máa mọ chọ́ọ̀tì wa. Wọ́n gbẹ ènìyàn àbẹ̀kún gbójú ènìyàn. Wọ́n gbójú ènìyàn. Mo rántí ìgbà tí wọ́n máa mọ chọ́ọ̀tì wa. Ẹ̀rí pé wọ́n ti sọ díẹ̀ bí ọmọ àdúgbò ni wọ́n bọ̀dọ̀ wọ́n máa ń wo chọ́ọ̀tì wa bí local church àwọn church ẹ̀ bá ti rí fíṣàn yẹn but nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà yẹn à ń gbàdúrà lọ Olúwa wa ní èèyàn kan wà ń bí báyìí ọmọ sábà ní interview but tó bá tí interview ẹ̀ bá ti ku ọjọ́ kejì àbí ọjọ́ kẹta ọmọ sábà ńlá là kan jẹ̀rántí àlàyé pé ọmọ sábà ńlá là yẹn pé wọ́n máa ní ìbálòpọ̀ lójú àlà wọ́n máa rí spam lára ẹ̀ pé tó bá jẹ́ lọ sí interview yẹn wípé kò ní wà successful Olúwa wa ní tí ẹnìyẹn bá lè gbàgbọ́ pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run pé interview yìí ìjọ yẹn níjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀rìn lọ ẹ̀rìn bọ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n àwọn èèyàn ládùúgbò bóyá ṣe máa rí yàrá òní rí jẹ́ níjọ́ àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́kọ̀ wọ church wọn ṣé ẹ ti rántí rẹ̀ bá lè jẹ́
So the first I first came to the church, yeah, it was, as I said, it was problems that brought me to the church.
Yeah.
You know, it was problems, you know, and I was in front of the man of God without telling him anything. He downloaded everything for me. So I was like, how can someone who doesn't know you before actually tell everything, and he also gives you solution, you know? And so basically, that was the, you know, beginning of my belief. That was the beginning.
Anyway, gẹ́gẹ́ bí o dá mọ̀ sọ àwọn kan máa sọ yí pé pásọ̀ kan gbá wọn wòlíì kan gbá wọn lójú mi tẹ́mi bá ní kí n sọ màá ní ẹni tí wọ́n gbà yẹn ló fọwọ́ rẹ̀ fà kí nìdí bíbélì nínú èso wọn láti mọ̀ wọ́n mo lè pé gbogbo alamá ní pásọ̀ kan yálà tí àwa mú wa lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ yálà tá a gangan lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ tí a ti mọ̀ kó tó di pa gòkè nígbà tá a dẹ̀ ti mọ rúpa àti lè pè mọ́ torí ó lọ sí kọ́ńtàdì mi but nígbà tó parí ìwé ẹ̀ mo rántí first owó tó kọ́kọ́ gbà lamẹ́ríkà salary dollars ni ó wá lóò tọ́jú ẹ̀ títí tó máa fi rí fóònù nọ́mbà mi padà ó dàbí pé lóun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sars lórí Facebook lórí wa aligajẹ ó lóun bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sars lórí Facebook tó wá rí nọ́mbà mi ló dàbẹ̀ sí pé àwọn pásọ̀ yẹn kan sọ pé ìyẹn bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi fẹ́ dárúkọ wọn mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ wọ́n mọ́ létà àmúṣà ni rẹ̀ mọ́ wa wọ́n wá sàlàyé ká àwọn ní táwọn ga kíní kan mú wọ́n ní lágbájá wá ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àtìgbà yẹn ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pé tẹ́mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí pé ẹni téèyàn ti trust wọ́n lè tún gbára léèyàn bọ́ ẹni tó trust tó mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ tó kàn gbára lé létà wá lólùwà fún wa nẹ̀ tá a bá wò á wò bí pé bóyá ẹni yẹn ló ṣe àfọwọ́bà inú mi dẹ̀ tó wájú pẹ̀lú arákùnrin yìí nígbà tí wọ́n dọ̀hùn wọ́n hùwà ẹni tó mọ Ọlọ́run díẹ̀ ìwọ́n tí èèyàn bá àwọn míì tó máa ń lọ sọ́hùn wọ́n máa sábà ń yáyàkúyà bí kò máa mu drugs bí kò máa ṣàgbèrè bọ́ ẹni yìí kò sábà ń ṣàgbèrè ìgbà tó fẹ́ fẹ́ yàwó ẹ̀ gan àbí wọ́n ti sọ ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fẹ́ yàwó ẹ̀ gan ìfà tí wọ́n ń béèrè ni Ọlọ́run ní wọ́n tọ́ sí ilé Ọlọ́run ní mọ̀fẹ́ ilé ọ̀ǹtí tí Ọlọ́run sọ pé eléyìí gangan orúkọ yìí gangan òun ìyàwó ẹ̀ látàárẹ̀ Ọlọ́run sọ pé o tún máa gbé ẹ ga o máa gbé ẹ sókè ẹ jẹ́ ká wo sẹ́tí Ọlọ́run tó ṣe lénìí inú mi dé òtò ló ti pẹ́ gan-an ó ti pẹ́ gan-an tàdíra but a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ a lè ṣe ká mọ́tò everyday látòrí fóònù but nígbà tí ẹ náà fẹ́ wá kí mi pé àwọn fẹ́ wá kí mi àwọn fẹ́ dé sọ́dọ̀ mi bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn máa wà títí week I was surprised lóde tó àbí rọ́dà bóòtọ́ ni wọ́n dé wọ́n ní kí sẹ́ńtì dẹ́bà mi wọ́n dẹ̀ gbé wọn adúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run torí pé kò wọ́pọ̀ nínú àwọn tí Ọlọ́run máa ti padà rántí tẹ́lẹ̀ mi bá tiẹ̀ máa rántí ájẹ́gbà tó bá ti ní pírọ́blẹ́mù èké but ẹni yóò jẹ́ kí ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ anyway gbogbo kóhun tí a bá ṣe láyé yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká di ìgbàgbọ́ mú má gbé wọn madam mo fẹ́ kí ẹ sọ díẹ̀ àdìgbòjì ìwà àwọn gbẹ́sẹ̀ yìí báwo lẹ ti mẹ́ni yìí ǹjẹ́ sẹ́yìn tó mú Ọlọ́run ni nínú English náà lè máa sọ.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Kí lẹ́yìn.
Ó mọ Ọlọ́run.
Bí báwo.
Born again. He's a born again man of God.
Okay. Láì gbàdé ti fẹ́ ra yín ẹ láìkì wọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Bí báwo.
Well, he's very caring.
Very caring.
Faithful, loyal, and he's my best friend. So.
Níbi ẹ regret pé fẹ́ wọn.
Rárá sir.
At all.
Rárá sir.
Okay. Thank God for that. Gbogbo testimony náà ni àdúgbò àdúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run. Ògo Ọlọ́run kò ní fi gbogbo wa sílẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹ bá jẹ Bọ́lá kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ lórí ẹ̀.
Mo sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ ju pé inú wa dùn ayọ̀ wá dẹ̀ púpọ̀ torí pé àti expect ẹ̀ lókè sáwọn nìkan ni Ọlọ́run ti lò wá fún bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti lọ. Tọ́lọ́ dẹ̀ wá jẹ́ káwọn tó padà wá sílé pé àwọn fẹ́ fi òkú fọ́lọ́run wọn náà jẹ́ kí inú tiwa náà dùn pé wọn ò jẹ́ ẹni tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n kàn lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n tó fojú wẹ̀yìn wọ́n tó kọ́ àwọn míì náà lò wọ́n torí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn sí Ọlọ́run wọ́n máa ń sí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kásà sí dànù nígbà tí ọba sí lẹ́yìn máa struggle láti gbàdúrà fún wọn pé ká yí wọn dà táyàwó yẹn bá ti dà tán wá sàn lọ ni wọn ò ní rántí ilé láti padà wá sílé gbà jẹ́ ká ẹni tọ́lọ̀ tiẹ̀ lò fún wa láti jẹ́ káwa náà débi wá káwa náà tiẹ̀ wá fògo fọ́lọ́ ní láti pàṣẹ rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn jẹ́ ẹni tó gbóore láti pé wọ́n fẹ́ kí àlékún oore kó mọ lékún nínú ayé wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún wọn wípé àlékún oore náà mọ̀ dé fún wọn gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n rí tó dùn wọn nínú tí wọ́n fi wá sílé kò ní bá wọn nínú jẹ́ lágbègbè Jésù àtàwọn àti ìdílé wọn Ọlọ́run á túbọ̀ dì wọ́n mú àtọmọ àtaya ilé ológo tí wọ́n lè pa Ọlọ́run á mú wọn débẹ̀ ayọ̀ wọn ìbùkún wọn owó wọn àti ọlá wọn á túbọ̀ mọ̀ pọ̀ sí lórúkọ Jésù inú wa dùn gan wípé wọn àbísẹ́ ti Ọlọ́run láti ara wa wọn sì gan àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ náà.
Thank you sir, God bless you sir. Èmi náà dúpẹ́ pé ẹjọ́ kan nínú àwọn tí a lè mọ fọwọ́ júwe nínú àwọn tí Ọlọ́run lò wá fún gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀tí ìyàwó mi sọ mélòó ẹlòmíì alójú tòun alóhùn lè sọ̀rọ̀ alóhùn ti ju pásítọ̀ yẹn lọ pé pásítọ̀ tó ti wà lókà pásítọ̀ dọ́sìn tí ó wà lókà nígbà tó ń gbàdúrà ó lé ní that pastor doesn't understand how to speak English àmọ̀sàwọn òyìnbó wèrè ẹ̀wọ̀ lé ó sọ òyìnbó iyì ó sọ òyìnbó owó lórí ibi tó dẹ̀ ti rówó náà tó ti fún wa lórúkọ Jésù àgbà náà ní wọbẹ̀ kò ní tán lápò yín ògo Ọlọ́run yóò fara hàn wọ́n ti padà lọ báyìí náà.
Ọlọ́run tó wá bá wa sí lọ́lọ́ mo ní rìgẹ́tì gbọ́n sí wá sí Nàìjíríà lọ́jọ́ Jésù ilé àtọ̀nà wọn kò ní dìbàjẹ́ iṣẹ́ wọn á túbọ̀ mọ kúrò sí ogun wa láti dààmú kò ní jẹ́ fi sunlẹ̀ wọn bí ètò máa já wọn ní bá wọn lọ́wọ́ wá pẹ̀lú wọn àtúbọ̀ dì wọn àtúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bá àtúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín sàpẹ́sẹ̀ kan ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà sí sàpẹ́.
Gbogbo inú ilé yìí ni wọ́n dùn nínú bẹ́sẹ̀rẹ́ èrò tó pé gbogbo àwọn tẹ́rì ọ̀dọ̀ mi ni wọ́n gbé wọ́n dùn mí wá ní vat odidi pọtí mọ́tò ńlá kan ni wọ́n ti gbé fún wa wọ́n di aṣọ wọ́n di gbogbo ẹ̀ oṣù tí wọ́n ò di adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ má rí àwọn ọmọdé adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fm náà fẹ́ tó bọ́yá fm náà máa rí kankan mú bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn aláfẹ́ ẹ má rí àmàtú kan wa nígbà tí ilé bá dá ẹ ti máa mí nì tí ilé bá dá tí ilé bá dá àmà gbé sínú yàrá Jésù ní mo mọ àwọn èèyàn tèmi Jésù ní mo mọ àwọn èèyàn tèmi Jésù ní mo mọ àwọn èèyàn tèmi. Ọbẹ̀ ilá ni o.
Ọbẹ̀ ilá.
Kí lẹ́yìn?
Nítorí ọbẹ̀ ilá.
Ṣé láìkẹ̀? Ṣé atọ́jú yín dáadáa? Ṣé ẹ lè jẹ l'Amẹ́ríkà?
A lè rí iyán tó ń gún.
Lẹ́yìn rírò ìjẹ́ dẹ̀ ti máa fi kéèkọ́ mọ́ bàbà jẹ́ sí. Wọ́n máa ti sáfù àbí kíná ń gbé. Ẹ jẹ́ lè kẹwàá mọ́.
Eléyìí ni original náà.
Àdíjà o, ìṣekúùkì. Báwọn àlejò mi o.
She's a wife o.
Jẹ́wọ́ láti Amẹ́ríkà o.
She's a wife o.
Ìrẹ́ gbójú wọn lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà. Ìyá orílẹ̀-èdè bàbá mi ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ká jọ gbé Nàìjíríà sókè àṣẹ lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n sọ wípé àjò lè dàbí ilé abẹ́rẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń bu yán wọ́n bu gan-an àjò lè dàbí ilé lóòótọ́ kí lẹ́mí
Ajo Dabi Lesa.
Ah.
Iyan yin buy like original iyan sir.
Ọ̀dàn. 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 Ǹjẹ́ tí wọ́n ní bá bá Evangelist Bọ́lá lálejò?
Original of the no rele sir.
Kí lẹ́yìn?
Original of
Ọ̀dàn.
Ìlà pẹ̀lú bitter leaf.
Ọ̀dàn. Okay, tí wọ́n fi bitter leaf àmì.
Okay, I'm taste bitter leaf.
Okay. Adúpẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ kan náà ló ń lé wa. Wọ́n ti lọ lílé. A ti pe wúbà fún wọn. Wọ́n ti ń lọ báyìí. Safe journey America ni ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Yes sir. God bless you. Ẹ máa ra. Ẹ̀gúnlẹ̀ o. Ẹ bá kí sọ kí ló kọ America trọ kí trọ o. Ẹni bá sọ jẹ́ ní nìkan kí o. Bye.
Praise the Lord. Mo kí wá bí tí a ti lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti mọ òbí orúkọ mi ní Evangelist Bọ́lá Yẹ̀kínní aya Túnbà Àlá. Kí ni àwọn kan tí mo fẹ́ sọ? Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run lórí àlejò tí a gbà láti last week wípé a ti sìn wọ́n lọ sí airport, wọ́n ti padà lọ sí ilé wọn ní ayọ̀ àtàlàáfíà. Kí ni àwọn àfikún tí mo wá fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn èèyàn ni pé ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa gbàgbé ẹni tí Ọlọ́run bá lò fún wa láti gbé wa sókè, nítorí pé àwọn ò tiẹ̀ rántí mọ́ àyàfi bí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe pè wá lójijì pé òun fẹ́ wá kí wa ò, torí pé láti 14 years ni wọ́n ní odò tó bá gbàgbé orísun rẹ̀ gbígbẹ ló máa gbẹ, lórúkọ Jésù ẹnìkan kan wa ò ní gbẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa bojú wẹ̀yìn tí a bá rí èèyàn kan tó fà wá sókè tí Ọlọ́run ràn lọ́wọ́, bóyá pásítọ̀ ni o, bóyá wòlíì ni o, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣe kíni, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi ẹ̀mí ìmoore, ká máa fi ẹ̀mí ìmoore hàn. Ìyẹn náà ló máa jẹ́ kí inú ẹni náà dùn láti máa ṣe kíni, láti máa kọ̀ntínú àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe, nítorí pé nǹkan tí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yà wá lẹ́nu. Ìyàwó rẹ̀ àwọn ò tiẹ̀ rírí, ó tó mú yàwó wá kí ìyàwó ẹ̀ tó wá ṣe kíni, kó tún wá bò ń dúpẹ́. Àwa náà dúpẹ́ torí pé nǹkan tí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe fún wa tó rà fún ó dé ní mílíọ̀nù, àwọn ò ti expect ẹ̀ mọ́, àwa ti lè rò pé ó ti lọ àti ẹ̀ràn tí nígbà tó ń pè wá yẹn ọkàn wá tẹ̀ ti fò, torí pé àìmọye èèyàn kì í ṣe òun nìkan ni Ọlọ́run ti lò wá fún. Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ wípé ọ̀run nìkan ni Ọlọ́run ṣe kíni lọ́jọ́ kó mọ̀ọ́re. Tá a bá wo nígbà Jésù náà, wọ́n ní èèyàn mélòó ni Jésù mú lára dá, inú èèyàn mẹ́sàn-án yẹn kí mélòó lọ padà wá dúpẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe rí ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà lónìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jẹ́ ẹni tó mọ̀ọ́re, ká má di alágbára mọ̀ọ́re jẹ. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run pé arákùnrin àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti padà sí ìlú wọn.
Praise the Lord. A dúpẹ́ torí pé wọ́n ti dọ́hùn, wọ́n ti pè wá, kódà ó ti lé bíi ọ̀sẹ̀ kan àbọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tí wọ́n ti pa wá tí wọ́n ti dé ọ̀hún. A dúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run pé wọ́n wá láyọ̀. Nígbà tí wọ́n pè wá ní àsìkò December lójijì, torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ti wà lọ́hùn 24/7 wọ́n máa ń pè mí bí ẹ̀mẹ́ni. Kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ dáwọ́lé tí wọ́n ò ní pè, ṣé káwọn ṣe àbí káwọn mọ́ ṣe. Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ fẹ́yàwó náà, ṣé káwọn ìyàwó kẹrin lọ́lọ́run ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá fún ọ láti pé o lè fẹ́ ilé. Kódà tí wọ́n wá fẹ́ yẹn, wọ́n wá jẹ́ni tó mọ Ọlọ́run torí pé ìjọ Deeper Life ló ń lọ tẹ́lẹ̀. Àmọ́ gbà tó dẹ̀ dọ́dọ̀ wọn, ó wá di ti ọmọ ìjọ Prophet John J. Yẹ̀kínní àtúmọ̀lẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé ìjọ ọkọ èèyàn náà ni èèyàn máa ṣe. Nǹkan tí mo kàn dúpẹ́ lé lórí nítorí pé àwọn olórin kan ó kọrin, ó ní ìyanu tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó máa mú mi jó bí odi, ayọ̀ tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí máa fi jó bí àdìtì, kọ́sẹ̀ yìí tó parí bàbá yóò sojú mi fẹ́. Jẹ̀njó láìrí ìlú, jẹ̀njó bí àdìtì. Ìfà tí bá jó bí àdìtì kò bá dì, tí bá jó bí afọ́jú kò bá dì, nítorí pé ohun kan téèyàn ò expect tó wọlé wá báyẹn wá ní ó jẹ́ nǹkan ìyàlẹ́nu gan, nítorí pé àìmọye ẹlòmíì tó yẹ pé omi fẹ́ travel out tẹ́ pé owó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ kò rí, ó kù bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tó máa fẹ́ due àbí tó máa fẹ́ expired, tó máa fẹ́ due àbí tó máa fẹ́ expired. Òun ni wọ́n máa gbọ́ tí dẹ̀ máa ní kọ́mọ̀ wọ̀rí. Ilé mi ní máa lọ, ó lè jẹ́ bí ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì tó kù, ilé mi ní máa gbà ẹ̀ma ní bíbẹ̀ ẹlòmíì àti ẹ̀gbúrò. Ẹ wá wo ilé ìtẹ́bá àti ẹ̀wá ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, àdúrà ni ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbà, ẹ dẹ̀ mọ́ jẹ́ ká wà after pé bóyá kéèyàn máa fojú sí èèyàn kan lára pé lágbẹ́dẹ́ ló máa ṣe mí lórí. Ẹsẹ̀ rẹ́ni tó náà máa lò fún sẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ èèyàn mọ́. Ẹ wo bí ọmọkùnrin ṣe dé chọ́ọ̀chì wa, nígbà táwọn chọ́ọ̀chì wa yẹn ní Ọ̀kọ́ta nígbà yẹn ní Taiwo Street, head of Taiwo Street, sáìdì ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń gbé. Òun àti bàbá ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń lọ sí chọ́ọ̀chì Catholic. Wọ́n ti gbàgbọ́ pé bóyá bísọ̀ wà, bóyá Ọlọ́run wà, bóyá ó ń kọjá lọ ládùúgbò òun pẹ̀lú àwọn boys, gbogbo àyè kò tí lè ju ọmọ 21 years àbí 19 years lọ. Ó ń kọjá ládùúgbò làwọn ń gbàdúrà tiwa jẹ́jẹ́ àdúrà àárín ọ̀sẹ̀. Ó gbọ́ ohun kan wá jáde, wọ́n ní olúwalẹ̀ èèyàn kan ó wà bíbà, ẹni náà kò sí ní àpéjọpọ̀ àdúrà yìí o, pé bọ̀ ń gbọ́ mi pé ìgbàgbà tó bá ti fẹ́ ní interview láti ràn lọ́wọ́ láti fún ní scholarship láti gbé lọ sí ìlú Amẹ́ríkà pé ọmọ sábà ń lálàá ní ìbálòpọ̀ lójú àlá tó bá kọjọ́ kan àbókọjọ́ méjì pé tó bá dẹ̀ ti jí báyìí ọmọ bá spam láàrẹ̀ pé tó bá dẹ̀ débi interview yẹn wípé kò ní bọ́ sí pé ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ní ìgbà mẹ́ta ó ní ẹ mọ̀ pé mi ò dẹ̀ mẹ̀mí díjú ó lóun kọ́kọ́ pàdé ìgbé abẹ́ni yìí rí mi abẹ́yẹn kan lọ́lọ́sọ̀ fẹ́ nìyí ó lọ́dẹ̀ ìgbé mọ̀kàn tó pe àdúrà ó láti gbà yẹn lòun ti ní tírẹ̀sì sí chọ́ọ̀tì ó wá máa ń yọ wọ chọ́ọ̀tì wa nítorí pé kò fẹ́ káwọn ará àdúgbò mọ̀ pé òun wá sí chọ́ọ̀tì wa torí wọ́n bìlì pé sẹ́mọ̀ ètò ìgbà yẹn chọ́ọ̀tì wọ́n ti dín náà díẹ̀ tí kò chọ́ọ̀tì torí ibi tá à ń lò wọ́n fún wa ní ibi dé ẹrọ̀fọ̀ lọ́kọ̀tà ní bẹ̀sán of Taiwo street tẹ́nì yẹn tó fún wa nígbà yẹn lọ ká má sọ̀rọ̀ jù bó ṣe ti yọ wá lẹ́yìn yọ wá akásọ fún dáadé àti mọ́mì ìjọba ti jọ lọ chọ́ọ̀tì akọ́kọ́ ní chọ́ọ̀tì tó lọ yẹn ó ń bọ̀ wá sọ́dọ̀ wa ó lè jẹ́ bí aago 10 àárọ̀ ló máa dé ọ̀ntì níjọ́ Sunday ọ̀ntì gbà tí táwa gbàdúrà tó ṣe kánsẹ́lì tọ́nà sọ báyìí báyìí lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ tó wáṣẹ̀ wá lọ ṣe interview yẹn kọ̀ lálẹ́ ìbálòpọ̀ yẹn mọ́ ó dẹ̀ wá bọ́ sí ló fi lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà nígbà tó wá lọ Amẹ́ríkà ló ṣe wá ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ fún àwọn bàbá àtìyẹ́ pé ẹ̀rí pé táwa dé church báyìí ẹ̀rí pé lẹ́tẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n wá mi tì ibi tí mo máa ń sáwá lélẹ́yìí o tẹ́ mo máa lù mí tẹ́ máa ní báyà mo lọ gbá bọ́ọ̀lù tí mi fẹ́ sọ wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá jọ gbégbọ́ pé ọ̀ya ìyẹ́ ọ̀ya bàbá ẹ̀ lẹ́nu kódà nígbà yẹn ìyẹ́ bàbá bẹ́ẹ̀ ó láti fún ìyẹ́ àti gbogbo àwọn àbúrò ẹ̀ láyè láti mọ̀ wá sí chọ́ọ̀chì wa kó tó dípa kó ní Ọ̀kọ́ta ká tó lọ sí another place nígbà tó dẹ̀ dé èmi ò tiẹ̀ rántí ẹ̀ mọ́ àbí bó ṣe lóun wá kọ́ńtàtì mi kiri ó sáà lóun lọ sórí Facebook ó kọ pásítọ̀ John Jelili Yekini Àtúmọ̀lá olóhùn wá gbé wá olóhùn ti pẹ́ lóòótú pé fóònù nọ́mbà tó wà lórí Facebook yẹn ó láwọn èèyàn ló mọ̀ ń gbé ẹjọ́ èmi lágbájá ni ẹ̀sọ́ pásítọ̀ báyìí àwọn èèyàn kúkú ń jíṣẹ́ bọ̀ nígbà tó lọ́ọ́ máa ṣe ọ̀kan náà àwọn tó gbé fóònù yẹn kàn wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi ní fóònù yẹn wá ní kí ló ṣe yín báyìí náà ẹ sọ pé mi ò ní nǹkan pọ́tàtì tí mo fẹ́ fún bàbá bí mi ṣe gba fóònù yẹn ṣé kò so mo wá ní ẹgbẹ́ kó wá ní òun ti parí iléèwé òun ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ pé àkọ́kọ́ sálárì tó nǹkan gbà ní dọ́là pé òun fẹ́ sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ pé òun ní dídí tèmi bọ́dẹ̀ sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ nìyẹn láti gbà yẹn ni mo ti fún ní personal number mi tàti pé níṣẹ́ ìwòsàn ó di 40 years sí 50 years tó ti lọ kò tí wà Nàìjíríà rí first time nìyẹn tó kọ́kọ́ wá ọkọ̀ fara yí mi àgbàdúrà oríṣiríṣi lẹ́yìn ọ̀sẹ̀ kan wọ́n ṣe wá lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ó tó wá tó lọ 2 weeks lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ló tó wá padà wá sọ́dọ̀ tiwa ó tó wá bá àjọsìn lọ́sẹ̀ wá lọ sí Amẹ́ríkà ẹ jẹ́ káwọn nǹkan tí ó ṣe bí ó ṣe Ọlọ́run á ṣe bọ̀ nígbà tó ṣe náà ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí èyàn ò lórí nǹkan tó ṣe fún wa millions ni lórí owó ní ká sọ ní àbí àwọn kan tó rà wá ẹ tó wà wò bí gbogbo ilé wa ṣe pọ̀ tó kò sẹ́ni tí ó dùn nínú ẹ bó ṣe owó fún wọn 30,000 àtọmọ kékeré 10,000 àtàgbà àti gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó ilé tó bá ń lé mi 30,000 naira ẹ wo iye wọn àwọn tó dẹ̀ra àwọn èèyàn fún kéré jù àmà tó mélòó ma ẹ bá mi sóhun.
ọmọ tó 30.
ẹ
ọmọ tó 30.
ẹ̀yin náà gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo gbà.
èló lẹ gbà.
10,000.
ẹ wò ọ̀kan náà ọmọ jọ ọ̀nà kan wà bá mi ṣe ọ̀dẹ̀ sì kún gẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ káwọn adúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti ìfojúwẹ̀yìn tó fún arákùnrin àgbàdo ìyá àti bàbá rẹ̀ wọ́n á jèrè délé lọ ó ti jọ́ màrí dunu ọ̀rẹ́ dì lórúkọ jẹ́ kò ní padà di ọmọ ìbànújẹ́ kò ní di ọmọ téèyàn ń rí téèyàn bú sẹ́kún gbogbo ẹ̀yin náà tẹ́ léèyàn lẹ́yìn odi lórúkọ jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìrànwọ́ lórúkọ Jésù Olúwa wa àmín ọ̀rọ̀ wa gbọ́ pẹ́ wẹ́wẹ́ lẹ́yìn pé kásà máa dúpẹ́ tí n bá wá gbé bọ́dì fún Ọlọ́run mọ́mí tá a bá gbé bọ́dì fún Ọlọ́run fún orí ó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé bọ́dì gbé èèyàn bá òde gbẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́mí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ mọ̀ wò gbẹ́sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ nìkan lẹ́yìn ẹ tún mọ̀ wò gbẹ́sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí wọ́n gbẹ́sẹ̀.